So that will be the one you are
The
touching.
common is the smallest.
The common will be your highest
Hi.
because they add up to it. Remember,
And
it's
then
in
the
common with each
smallest
other.
will be your run.
Oh, okay. So then you check these as like, oh shit, it's pretty high.
So that will be yes.
the extra
Uh-huh.
now.
So now that this one, you know that this one's your common. Hold this one.
Yeah.
And then now look for the smallest one. That will be this one. That will be your smallest. So now that one will be your run,
That's 0.8.
and that will be your start.
They're both
That one's
like
the medium.
0.9.
I get that.
Yes.
I get it.
Yes,
Wire
no,
her up,
maybe.
then.
Yes.
Fire her up.
Clear as mud.
Clear